Expect in this video a great bricks technique and insane 3D graffiti. Friends and followers, and welcome back to a new project. This is the Secret Writer 5. The Secret Writer project is a big project of 25 different YouTube channels of different graffiti writers from all over the world, and we all put our names in a name randomizer, and the randomizer picked a name of one of the others, and we all have to paint the name of one of the other 25 great graffiti artists. So I know which one I will paint, but I will have to keep it secret, so you will know it by the end of this video. Let's start. For about a year I did not paint underneath this bridge, which is located right on a popular walking path for dogs and their owners. But as we have only one day of painting time, let's directly start with the preparation and remove some shit first. I'm a big fan of carpets because they don't only protect the floor from getting dirty, they also protect the roller from getting sandy. As always, I use for my first lines two different colors. One color for the sketch and the other color for erasing lines that I don't like. And I highly suggest you to use an eraser color that is similar to the background color. But this day I really had a run. This first lines only took me 25 minutes and this is pretty fast for me. First lines are done. Now comes something that I wanted to try out for so long. And it was one clip that was sent to me maybe, I would say, 50 times. It is this clip that was shared on astrofat.it from Dyalla. I will put his Instagram over there because he's a great graffiti artist and I want to give him the respect for the idea, because a lot of people, they think that I'm the bricks guy because of this video that I will show you right now at this moment, where I was really struggling with painting bricks, and Dyalla found such an incredible and easy solution to paint bricks really fast, and I want to paint bricks on the whole background now. Let's start. So I will cut the gap between the stones first. Ah, this is perfect. This is so easy between the stones here. And now let's see if this idea works as well as I hope that it works. Yeah, I'm not convinced. Not that bad. Not that bad. It took me some tryouts, but after some minutes I felt super comfortable with this technique, and it took me only 45 minutes to fill the complete background with these bricks. And we're done! We're done! This was so fast! Crazy! Okay, I will put some I will make some of the stones a little bit darker and put a little bit of spray paint over it to give it a little bit more texture and stuff. But all in all, I'm super happy. Dyalla, thanks a lot for sharing this nice idea with us. So cool.
For the fill-in, I choose the very unconventional combination from light lilac over Paris, pale pink, and at the bottom there will be shrimp. Really crazy, but I wanted to try something new. By the way, if any one of you already knows which name I painted on this wall, please write it down in the comments. I'm super curious if my trick works. Because what you see is not what you get. Before I paint the outlines, I already painted all the shadows within the fill-in. And as I will paint the block with 3 different colors, a blue, a lighter blue and black for shadows within the block, I will just fill the spaces that will be in this middle blue and keep everything that will be black or light blue in the background color, so that I don't have to paint too many layers of colors over each other and save paint. For some super tiny highlights on the outlines, I use the tiny pink stencil cap, and for sharp lines I use this tool. Works perfect. Some designs here and there, not too much, and then I started to paint the shadow on the bricks, and I paint a dark brown, and with a dark gray I paint all the gaps between the bricks again. And this looks perfect, even the police likes it. Not to forget my blinky stars and of course my broken halo heart on top, as always.
Okay, I would say I'm done. And this is the magical moment, because a lot of you probably already noticed that this t-shirt is mirrored, and right at this moment we will mirror your screen. And then we will see whose name I painted in this artwork. And by the way, a big thanks to Montana Cans for supporting this channel with a lot of dope free spray cans. Thanks a lot. I know that you are curious to see how it all turned out. This is the final result!
For those of you who didn't get it, I was not sure how to hide the name until the end of the video, so I painted this whole piece really mirrored. And what you see now is just possible on your screen.
O-L-U-S-T. Almost. I hope that you like this nice graffiti that I painted for you.
And this is what I like about this project so much. Olas and me could not be more different. While I paint one piece in 7 hours, he paints 2 in 30 minutes. Totally different style, but very enjoyable to watch.
Over there is a playlist with all the other 25 videos from all the other artists. I'm super curious to see who has painted my name. Please leave a comment down there and tell him that he's a great cameraman. And over there is the next video linked. So please check this out. Please don't forget to like the subscribe button, and we see us in the next project.